On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2014 Coachmen Pursuit 27 kb. Every detail of this motorhome has everything you need and more to fully enjoy the time you spend away from home. This model features a large passenger side slide out to the left of the entry door, which opens up the floor plan, providing ample space for comfortable living. Featuring richly colored countertops, elegant hardwood cabinetry, and complementing linoleum floors, it all adds up to a warm and inviting residential environment. The attractive kitchen features plenty of counter and storage space, a large stainless steel double bowl kitchen sink with a high-rise faucet, providing lots of room for preparing dinner and cleaning up. A convertible booth dinette provides a comfortable dining and gathering area, including overhead cabinets and seat belts for safety while moving. This same slide-out also provides the rear bedroom space for a king-size bed with nightstands and extra overhead storage. The Coachmen Pursuit 27 kb motorhome is designed to make you feel at home no matter where your journey takes you. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RVDepot.